Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. You may have guessed it, we're in downtown Paphos, and we're going to go make a very, very special little video for a very, very special lady. But without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Gracivia LeBouf.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again. Today
And again.
is especially for all the specialists, especially videos for Miss Debra. Miss Debra, today is especially for you video. Just smile.
So stick with us, Miss Debra, as we storm the Basilica holiday resort in downtown Paphos. We're going to have a whiz round it. We're in some back passageways now. This is some of the pathways that bring you from the Bar Street area, and then the intermingle, quite nice, very, very well lit at night as well. And then you wiggle your way round, and we're going to come into the main swimming pool area in the Basilica Holiday Resort, which obviously is a Leptos development. And, well, whether you know it or not, if you've watched some of our videos before, often we come down here in the evening and witness the great, great chef, Mr. Stavros, cooking live sovla on air. And we get to taste it, and it's very tasty indeed, isn't it, Gracivia?
Miss Debra, this is a very, very special place. If you like a little bit homish atmosphere, a little apartments for yourself, and to have their own cook to get ready, this is what you want.
Yeah, it's a great, great place. Now stick with us. We are going to storm the swimming pool area and complex, so stick with us. Here it comes, and it's a very, very nice pool indeed. This is the rear. Have a look at that. Wow, what a great, great swimming pool. Great design. Leptos always brings something special to their developments. They're always that little bit unique and that little bit fancy, and there's something very homely about it. Have a look at that. This is where you'll be sunbathing during the day, and you've got beautiful open fields and monuments to the back. And in fact, there's an old relic of a church just over the yonder there, which you can go and explore. So stick with us as we wander down here, and hopefully we're going to get past this music. Yes, we're going to have to do a bit of a runner. We'll give you one quick look. Have a look at that. That is the great, great pool. That's the rear part of the restaurant. Now stick with us, because Gracivia LeBouf is going to go and hug Mr. Paniotis, and I'm going to vanish. Come on, Gracivia LeBouf, get on with it. There we go. That's the restaurant manager, Mr. Paniotis. I can't hang around because, of course, there's something playing in the background, and I've got to get away from it. So stick with us. We're going to go into the main restaurant area. Have a look at that. This is the main eating area for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is where you come. Some great barmen, absolute star. Yes, you're right. There we are. And there is some of the beautiful food they make. There's the star himself. There he is. Absolute superstar. Cooking live, as usual, on air. The food, absolutely spectacular, and it is to die for. Get yourself in here. You don't have to be a resident to eat in here, by the way. Gracivia? Look at that. That's nice indeed. Now, as tradition goes, we do like to steal something, so we'll have one of them. And there's the desserts. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. You can see with the booth, I've stolen a piece of cheese. Right, let's get out of here and show you the entrance to the property so you know exactly where it is. And then we're going to take you on a little walk around to give you an idea of where you are, if you understand me. Right across the road, as you come out the main restaurant, you've got your very own supermarket. And that's the downtown Paphos Papa Antonio supermarket. There it is. And as we pan around and turn around, what you're going to get now is the actual view of the restaurant area, some apartments above that. There's the alleyway and courtyard down the side. And there is the sign itself that says Leptos Basilica Holiday Resort, and further apartments above. It's a very, very nice resort. And as you can see, Gracivia LeBouf had a big hug and a kiss and a fondle from the manager of the restaurant, Mr. Paniotis.
The cheese is so tasty, you can't even imagine.
Well, I like the breadstick. Very nice indeed. Here we go, one bit. It's got some olives in it as well. So stick with us. We're now going to take you on a little wander and get you down to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Various shops and gift shops, other shops around. Yes, Gracivia?
The top floor is beautifully done.
Well, yeah. There's a top floor penthouse over there. Now, some of these apartments in the complex have been sold to people, and some are still owned by Leptos and rented out on a tour operator basis, you understand? And of course, some of them then are rented out privately as well. So you've got a bit of a mix going on. There's always a great atmosphere. We go there normally twice a week for lunch, and we pay. Get a discount, but we do pay. And the food, well, it's very good indeed. Nice big variety. You see that?
Mr. Paul, what is this bread stick? What is this?
Well, it's a breadstick with a bit of olives.
Olive.
It's got olives in it, yeah, that's right. So you've got a mixture of some closed down shops. I remember when that was a great fish and chip shop. That was a long time ago. And just across the road over here, you've got a sandwich shop. And if you go around there, you've got the Rose Pub, you've got the Bottle Pub. And if you keep going straight up there to where those two bollards up, go up there, you go past the Pyramus Hotel, you get to the Sofiana Hotel, take a right and you're on Bar Street. Now, we're going to take you down here and show you the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea. Again, you've got various shops, gift shops. You've got a barber shop over there. That's run by one of the established Flatley boys. Then you've got a milkshake bar, you've got a gift shop, you've got another gift shop, you've got a kiosk right on the end. And as we come down, you can see the blue Mediterranean Sea. And that means there's lots of cafes and restaurants and bars. So you can enjoy a great relaxing day or evening on the Paphos Promenade. You see that?
Mr. Paul, this olive bread sticks was amazing. I know you're not a lover of the...
Well, I might go back for one, because you've eaten half of that one.
More
Or I might go back for the cheese.
No, my God.
I think he was cooking something. Was he cooking Chinese chicken? Something like that. Because it was sizzling away, wasn't it? He's a great chef, by the way. He's the guy, if you go hunting back, at least 3 times on camera now, we've got him doing live souvlaki cooking outside on the street. And I'm telling you, that souvlaki, whether it's the chicken, the lamb, or the pork, or the beef, is absolutely to die for. He really knows what he's doing, and he's got a great smile, as you can see. The other chef by him didn't know who we are. He was a bit shocked, but Stavros, the chef, was absolutely, well, in the game, as we say.
Do you know why we're getting fat?
Yes, we're eating too
We
much.
talk about the food.
It's food, yeah. So all we do is we get entertained by these restaurants and these chefs, treat us very well, and we have a great time with them. So you're going to get down to Paphos, and you two are going to have a great holiday. So Miss Debra, we hope that you've enjoyed this video. It's especially for you, and we hope that you will come and hunt for us, and we hope that maybe you'll find us, because often we're around this area at around about 7:30 to 9 o'clock at night, and then we'll always end up in the harbour. And I'm going to show you now the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. There's parasailing, there's the ocean flyer out there, there's the blue Mediterranean Sea, a blue sky, some nice golden rays of the sun up there. And as we come round, there is Miss Ochin, Basilica, Labouf.
Miss Debra, my dear, that hotel is worth visiting. First of all, their food is very nice. The apartments is what you need, and then it's very near to the sea. You can always come and swim in the sea or in the pool. The pool is amazing, clean and very light. So what else do we need?
So stick with us as we show you the municipality public area where you can come and get changed, washed, showered, whether you're coming from the hotel or going back to the hotel. There it is, recently been refurbished and repainted, and there's plenty of these little piers that allow you to get into that blue Mediterranean Sea, because whether you understand or not, Paphos has got quite a rocky coastline, which makes it that bit more beautiful. So the municipality has commissioned and constructed these concrete piers to allow you to get down into the sea without hurting your little feeties, whether you've been an adult or a child, that's for sure. Now, have a look at that rear end there. That's the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin, Basilica, Labouf. Do you fancy a swim, Labouf?
You know, Mr. Paul, yes, I was going to say that it would be nice if we were swimming at the moment in the blue Mediterranean Sea.
She's stealing my words, that's for sure. Now, let's have a little wander over there and show you the latest edition.
Give me your hand.
Off you go. Here we are. Let's show you the latest addition to the Cape of Paphos Promenade, and that latest addition are some gymnasium activity machines. They're more for fun rather than exercising. There's not much resistance, if you understand, when you're playing with them, but great photo opportunity. So let's get over there and see if we can get Miss Ochin Labouf's rear end on the camera, because we understand we do have 1 or 2 male subscribers who perhaps enjoy my humour.
You're not only going to get you're not gonna get only the rear end, you're gonna get all the ends.
All the ends, excellent. Could be an exciting video. Stay with us. It's about 1 minute away. We're just extracting that little bit more watch time from you, but I promise you it's going to be great fun. There's a lot of people there having fun, and just so you understand where we are, here we are. That's the Alia all-day restaurant. There's tea for two. There's the Freedom Gallery, Bank of Cyprus, coffee shops, a lean kiosk, and that's the Banya. And that's where we came out onto the front of the promenade just over there. So you are bang in downtown Cape of Paphos, right on the promenade, spitting distance, that's for sure, and 5 minutes into the harbour. To be honest, the Basilica Holiday Resort is a great place to holiday. Great apartments, nicely furnished, good service, and the restaurant, well, everyone in there is a superstar, that's for sure, and they really do good food. Anyway, receiving a booth is up to something. She's always monkeying about. There we go. She's always monkeying about, that Graciela LaBouffe. There we go. There we go. Right, come on, Graciela LaBouffe. Get yourself onto one of these little machines over here, and let's see your rear end. Let's see what the people are going to have to say. Try this one, LaBouffe.
You know, Mr. Cole, as long as I'm doing the gym, either I'm holding the babies.
Hello again.
Hello again.
Hello, you alright? What's your name?
Freddie.
Yes. Where's your other Riley? Where is he?
Oh, he's went home again.
Oh, he's gone home. So you're one Riley on his own. You're a star, absolute star. I like your little earrings, by the way. Did it hurt?
No, I didn't know.
No. Where are you from?
Newcastle.
Newcastle. Yeah. Now, the moment you said it, it's a lovely accent. So who are you here with? Your mum and your dad, or?
My mum, dad, grandma, and my sister.
So they've left you on your own?
No, they're right there.
Yes, we recognise them now. You all right? There we are. Right. Absolute star. We're going to just film Graciela LaBouffe. There we go. There we go. He's going to get on that one. There we are.
Oh, this is it.
Shout.
Oh, my goodness. There's not a lot going on.
We're going to get round and get the rear end. That's it. Go on, keep going. There we are. There's two rear ends going. You watch it don't fall off, Mr. Riley.
He's very in it.
How long are you here for? How long have you got to go?
I'm just leaving tomorrow.
Are you going tomorrow? Going tomorrow. In the morning or in the afternoon? Have you had a good holiday?
Yes.
Yes. Have you been to Cyprus before?
No.
So it's your first time. Are you going to come again?
Yes.
Star. Absolute star. He's an absolute star. Yes, he's positive. He's enjoyed his holiday, that's for sure. His mum, his grandparents, they've enjoyed the holiday, and we wish them a great trip back to Newcastle. Thank you, Mr. Riley. You're a star.
Wait, are you the guy from you?
Yes. Unfortunately for you, yes. You're a star. He's an absolute superstar. Great guy. This is what we love about the holiday resort of Paphos. Everyone is so open and everyone is so friendly. Have a look at that. That is the blue Mediterranean Sea. Graciela LaBouffe, it's time for the big goodbye.
Yes, the boy is lovely. All the
nice
kids in the world are very nice. They are so honest, and they always will say to you the truth. If you want to learn something very secretive, ask the child. I would like to tell you, Miss Debra, this all video was for you, and I would like to tell you many thanks to all of you for watching, and many kisses from me and Mr. Cole.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. If you'd like us to make a special video for you, and especially for you, whether it be a hotel, an apartment complex, a car showroom, whatever it might be, a birthday for Mr. Doug, for example, that's coming on Sunday, Mr. Doug, if you're watching, 8 o'clock UK time, special little video. Miss Graciela LaBouffe will be wearing something special, and she'll have something special on her feet and something special in her hand, especially for you, Mr. Doug.
Wait for it.
Thanks for watching.
Wait.